Okay, today we're going to check the operation of the heat control valve on the Willys exhaust manifold. You see here's the actuating arm with the spring on the inside, and if you look down or up the exhaust port you can see the valve which deflects the exhaust onto the underside of the inlet manifold when it's closed. So we're going to test it now for correct operation. Right, so I've suspended the manifold in the right position, approximately, hung off my fence, and you can see the counterbalance drops down when the manifold's cold. So the spring is slack and the valve is diverted and the arm just drops down. So if we get the blowtorch and start heating that up around the spring, gone out. No, it's a bit windy. Try again. Try not to melt my phone. As you can see, I'm not a professional YouTuber. To play the heat on the spring, you should see the spring starts to tighten, he says, and the arm starts to move. Try and hold the camera still, you'll see the arm move. Yeah. You can see the arm responding quickly now with the heat on the spring. Not for too long, don't want to burn the spring. And the arm keeps on going. And eventually hits a stop. I think we're there. So just turn off the gas. You'll see that the arm is now powered up against the stop and the spring's pushing it against the stop and it won't come back down. And that's the hot running condition. So all the flow is diverted down the exhaust and away from the inlet manifold. There we go.